amazing sounds of morning as the sun is waking up. Clear sky. Nature is wonderful. Breathe it in and out. Breathe it in and out. Happy morning, amazings. Greet the day with love. Greet the day with excitement, acceptance, appreciation, gratitude. What are you grateful for? What do you appreciate? Who are you grateful for? Who do you appreciate? I appreciate this moment. I'm grateful for this moment. I love this moment. Become loving in this moment. Fill yourself up with love. Deep breath in and out. Fill yourself up with love. Feel it feeling. Feel it filling over through you, in you, around you, and allow it to pour to others. Allow it to pour to the world in this moment. Share it with someone. Think of someone. Share the love with them. Continue sharing the love all day. You are an amazing being. You are love. You are light. Another deep breath in and out. In and out. Life is for you. Love is for you. In and out. Make today your day. Filling yourself with love all day long. Filling yourself with appreciation, acceptance, and gratitude. Excitement, enjoyment. This is your day. This is your moment. Life is good. Make it your day.